Hello guys! Andito nga pala ako ngayon sa Labresa Tower at gagawa tayo ng flyers. Ayan. Ayan, susulatan natin dyan ang details natin at pagkatapos papamigay natin doon mamaya. Tara na guys, sulatan na natin. Let's go! At ayun na nga guys, pagkatapos natin masulatan ng ating flyers. Ayan. Pagkatapos, siyempre nagsulat din ako sa Santa Lucia Residency ng flyers. Ayan. Tapos ngayon guys, magkape muna tayo. Salamat sa kape ng Superman. Salamat. At nakapagkape din ako. Sarap ng kape. Tara. Sa paulit. Sarap ng kape. Sarap. Tapos pagkatapos guys, pupunta tayo doon sa labas. Tapos mag-aabot na tayo. Yan. Actually, ako nga pala si Batkebs. Yan. Pero maraming salamat talaga Superman sa iyong pakape. Dahil sa'yo nagising ako. Tapos guys, papakita ko nga pala sa inyo itong aming Labresa Tower. Ayan po ang Labresa Tower. May kita nyo po sa gilid na may swimming pool. Ang Labresa Tower po ay located in Mother Ignacia, Quezon City. Ito po ay 22 story condominium. Papakita ko po sa inyo ang front ng Labresa Tower. Iyan. Napakaganda at napaka-affordable po ang price ng Labresa Tower. Ayan, meron pa po dyan. Nasa taas si Santo Niño. Tapos ngayon guys, yan, papakita ko nga po pala sa inyo mga ibang project. Yan, ang napakaganda naming brand ambassador Bea Alonso. Ito nga palang opisina namin sa Labresa Tower. Yan po ang ibang project namin, Pinewoods, Baguio, Evergreen Condominium. Yan, Evergreen State, San Mateo, Rizal. Maganda po menta dyan dahil maraming bakanting lote. Dito naman, yan, yung Madrid Condominium. Pwede na po kayo dyan dahil affordable po ang price at maganda location. Ito nga po pala ang magandang brand ambassador ulit namin, Bea Alonso. Ayan, papicture na tayo kay Ma'am Bea Alonso. Napakaganda. Isang sulyap ulit kay Ma'am Bea Alonso. Tinuturo niya ako, gwapo. Ito yung gwapo eh. Ayan yung gwapo, nasa Labresa oh. Ayun, tinuturo ko ni Ma'am Bea. Ang gwapo mo. Wala. Ito yung lobby ng Labresa Tower. Ayan, napakagandang lobby ng Labresa Tower. And syempre maganda rin yung mga practice. Pero guys, tapos na tayo. At mag-flyers na tayo. Actually guys, ito yung pinaka-front ng Labresa. Ayan. Ayan, dito tayo pupunta. Nga pala guys, dito nga pala yung malapit yung bahay ni Kuya. Pinoy Big Brother! Pupuntahan kita mamaya. 不行啊，我的媳妇儿进花钱了，给了 Starbucks。我 ayuda. Es vencido en the bags. Coile. Sono security was on his time. And then after that, I'm waiting for the clients and I run to the girl. And I give my pliers to them. And that one, I hope that she holds me. And I got this guy. Let's go to the other side. You can see the castle, the beautiful castle. Let's go to this side. You can see a lot of cars, beautiful cars. I have my sports car here. And I'm brave because I don't want to get tickets. Yes, you can see that. Jaywalking. Girls jaywalking. Let's go change the locations. I'm in the front of the Starbucks. You can see that building. Let's go to this side. Let's go. Let's change the locations because I didn't fly. That's a Camelot Castles. Let's go. And I'm walking all around. Let's go, walk, let's go. You see that place, and then I put my camera down there. And I start giving the people my flyers. Hey guy, hey sir, buy La Bresa Tower. Buy one ticket for me. And you can see me over there. Oh, almost hit by the cars. And I go back because I'm so scared maybe my cameras. And I put my cameras here in the front of the Mr. Driver taxi guy because his taxi is been overheated. That is why he's fixing his taxi. Still waiting for my client. I'm looking for a big and rich man guy. I don't want to raise my flyers. Let's go to this location again. I take a photo to the Camelot Hotels. And Camelot Hotels again, it's very nice. I like this Camelot Hotel right there. And I take a pictures in the Bice. That's a bias. You know the famous Papa Pini, Bias Ganda, the Papa Pini, famous Papa Pini. You see that it's a macho statue. And I went to this location, the statue of MacArthur. This statue of MacArthur, and I take photos in the very nice cars in La Bresa. Subaru, that one is a sports car, and that one too. Wow, nice, that's a sports car. I like this one, and this one, the black one. And I went to bahay ni Kuya Pinoy Big Brother, and I take photo with the celebrity editions. And after that, guys, I went back to the Bresa Tower. And that's it, guys. Because I'm so tired. No one called me. And I hope you buy the La Bresa Tower and give me a call. Goodbye, guys. Thank you very much for watching my vlog.